In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deposit on Acuity. Navigating the world of online scheduling can be a bit overwhelming, especially when you're looking to implement policies such as deposits for your bookings. Acuity Scheduling, a Squarespace company, offers a flexible way to manage this, ensuring you can secure revenue up front while providing your clients with the convenience of online booking. Let's kick things off by visiting Acuity Scheduling's website. The first step is quite straightforward. You simply head over to their site. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with an invitation to log in. This is where your journey to setting up deposits begins. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to input your email address. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email, hit the next button to proceed. Many of us appreciate the seamless integration of services with Google, and Acuity takes advantage of this by offering the option to continue with Google. Click on this option to simplify your login process. Now you'll be shown a list of Google accounts. Select the Google account you wish to use for Acuity. This step is wonderfully simple if your Acuity account is already linked to your Google account. If not, consider setting this up for faster logins in the future. With the login process out of the way, it's time to dive into the heart of our tutorial, setting up your deposit. Navigate your way to the payment settings section of your account. This area is critical for customizing how you'll handle finances through Acuity. Here, you'll find the option to connect your preferred payment method. Acuity supports various payment processors, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your business needs. After selecting your payment processor, you're one step closer to activating deposits. Next, you'll want to ensure that you have used the same method for all appointment types switched on. This streamlines your payment processing and makes managing different types of appointments a breeze. Now let's move to the crux of today's tutorial, turning on the collect deposits or full payment option. When enabled, this feature gives you the flexibility to require a deposit or full payment at the time of booking, providing your business with a layer of financial security. The next decision you'll make is crucial. Click on Type of Payment to specify whether you're collecting a deposit or requiring full payment upfront. This choice will be dependent on your business model and how you prefer to manage your cash flow and customer commitments. Upon selecting Deposit, you'll then choose the deposit amount percentage. This is the share of the total cost that you require as a deposit. Think carefully about this percentage. It needs to be significant enough to commit your clients while also remaining fair. Here's where you dial in the specifics, type in the percentage amount that you decided on. Whether it's 10%, 50% or any other percentage, this figure will automatically apply to all bookings moving forward, ensuring consistency across your services. To wrap up the setup, simply click on Save. This final step secures all the changes you've made, activating the deposit requirement for your future appointments. It's a simple yet transformative feature that can greatly enhance how you manage bookings and finances through Acuity. Implementing deposits for your services not only secures your income, but also minimizes the occurrence of no-shows, ensuring that both your time and your clients are valued equally. By following the steps outlined today, you've taken a significant step toward a more secure and efficient booking process. Remember, the financial policies you set for your business are a reflection of your commitment to providing exceptional services while maintaining a reliable and professional operation. Acuity Scheduling makes it easier to implement these policies, giving you more control over your bookings and finances. That's all for today's video on how to add a deposit on Acuity. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to set up this feature and the benefits it brings to your business. Whether you're a long-time user of Acuity or just getting started, these tips should help you optimize your scheduling and payment processes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.